Today, I'm going to make another easy one sheet pan meal. I have to get dinner on the table, so I have salmon, broccolini, grape tomatoes, and onion. I'm going to season and add spices and things from my pantry and fridge, put it together on one sheet pan, and bake. This is so easy. I love to do this, and you could switch up the broccolini with some asparagus or broccoli or cauliflower. It all works, and it's so good. Here we go. So to start, here I have 1.5 pounds of salmon that I've cut into 5 pieces. I'm going to be prepping it with some coarse ground mustard, maple syrup, and this store-bought seasoning blend. And for those of you curious of the flavor, it's a sweet and spicy. It's not ultra spicy. It's the sweet, spicy, salty mix. Here are some of the ingredients in it. I really like using it. It makes things easy. So I'm using 12 ounces of broccolini, 1 pint of grape tomatoes, and half of a large red onion. So now I'm going to prep the salmon. I'm just going to use this spice blend and season it on both sides. You can season your salmon however you like, by the way. This is something I like to do. So now I'm going to prep the topping or this sauce that's going to go on top of it. I'm using around 7 tablespoons of coarse ground mustard, 1 tablespoon of the seasoning, and a tablespoon of maple syrup. Give it a mix, and this is what's going on top of my salmon. By the way, I recently did another one sheet pan meal idea. I'll link this recipe video below, but this is another favorite that I like to do. So now I'm going to place all of my salmon pieces on a baking sheet with parchment paper. Next, I'm just going to add maybe a tablespoon or so of this sauce on top of the salmon. And you can adjust the ratios of this sauce to your preference. Really, it's about taste. So for the broccolini. Broccolini is an elegant hybrid of broccoli and Chinese kale that is 100% edible from floret to stem. By the way, I got this off the package, but you know, sharing is caring. So for the broccolini, I'm going to drizzle a tablespoon of grapeseed oil. I'm going to add salt and some lemon pepper. Give it a mix, and then I'm going to place it on my baking sheet. I'm also going to add my grape tomatoes, my sliced onion. I'm going to add a little more salt and lemon pepper, and this is ready for the oven. I'm baking at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes. Thumbnail. So you'll want to bake your salmon until it reaches an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. And once it's done, it's ready. This salmon is exactly how I like it. Cooked? So be sure to subscribe and click that bell notification to get all of my latest videos. I sure would appreciate it. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it, and thanks for watching.